Hello mga ka-kitchen! Today gagawa tayo ng 2-ingredient tea with so much benefit for you. Tara, let's start! So first of the 2 potent ingredients na kailangan natin is the red dates or jujube. Hugasan lang ito para mawala yung mga dirts. Next is the ginger. This is the size of my palm. Tanggalin lang din yung balat and slice. Then, sa isang pot with 3 cups of water, ilagay nyo na yung inyong mga red dates or jujube, pero tanggalin muna yung mga buto kasi it can cause bitterness to your tea. Sama nyo na yung ginger, then takpan. Simmer natin to for 30 minutes. Kapag after 30 minutes, tanggalin nyo na yung mga ginger. And then, using the sieve, ay i-mash ninyo thoroughly yung mga jujube until yung balat na lang yung natitira dito. Now, turn the fire into medium, cover it again, and wait for it na maging medyo paste-like na yung kanyang consistency. And ready na ito. To serve this, just put 2 tablespoons with 1 cup of hot water. This is very good for us kasi it's packed with vitamin C. It has anti-inflammatory properties and rich in antioxidants. Very immunity boosting talaga na kailangan natin ngayon because it's flu season na. So, sana makatulong ito sa inyo mga kitchen. Hopefully, matry nyo rin to. You can also keep the remaining ones in the fridge for about a week.